All Manipur United Clubs Organization Amuco President Nando Luang has emphasized that safe rescue of 2 youths from Kuki militants is the responsibility of DGP, Security Advisor and Union Home Minister Amit Shah. He made this statement during the press meet held at Amuco office Kwakaithel, jointly organized by Poirei Leimarol Maira Paibi Apunba Manipur, All Manipur Women Volunteer Organization and Amuco today. Nando Luang questioned about the measures taken up by DGP and Security Advisor to rescue the 2 youths who have been held as hostages after Ningombam Johnson of Taubal Kekman Maning Laikai has been released. It may be mentioned that 3 youths from different areas of Taubal were abducted by Kuki militants when they went for SSC GAD recruitment at New Kaithel Manbi. Among the 3, Johnson was released, but Oinam Toitoy of Taubal Leksangthim Awang Laikai and Tokchom Toitoyba of Taubal Kekman Wang Mataba Mayay Laikai are still being held as hostages. Nando further highlighted that the location where 2 youths are being held as hostages by Kuki militants falls under the jurisdiction of Central Security Forces. He urged for immediate action to rescue both the youths and stressed that if any untoward incident happens to both of the youths, the DGP, Security Advisor and Union Home Minister should be held responsible.
कोई होम दि सम्माना बा मफम मदगी फारगा होम दुगी मरक्तगी अमा मदुसु आर्मी की हक्चेंगना इक्विपमेंट यावगदनि पादी थादवरगा मागा जमिनरिबा अनीमा फाजलगा थंबाइबसी अदुगी मतिक लोक्तुनबा मानबगी थबक अमनि ngaraangdagi maitai nahani fagrena khangabnina India government na akoigi home minister gi side tagi natraga central security forcing na tuminna leibaise masi yamna tohoidaba thabakni ngaraangdagi central security forcing duna haiba mi ani se karai de lege se khangeba kana kana faari kana no khangeba adubu ngasi bawa tobang ngamdra leiriyewa maduna tai central security forcing asisu maitai nahani je faraga irang tholbada makosu loktuneba misagi wahi amana khonjel lamana akoigi maitai nahani sigi punsi kan masira la ngameba adubu huji phoba adugumba positive oiba concrete oiba wafam mada lokdaba security advisor na DGP na magi mathok taba advice pidana makoi mathok taba efforting thadaraga akoigi maitai nahani si yam thuna kallaga miyamda natraga imung manungda sinagadabani maduna tragadi Manipura irang je hena choktok na pam da ba thokdok hena thola gadi madugi tekchak pum badu pugidamne